Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to show some weakness. So the background is here on the LINK chart that we are obviously observing this potential diagonal pattern. You know about that if you have been watching previous videos. The diagonal is a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 was possibly a triangle. I mentioned to you, however, that I don't like the look of it, but a valid triangle. But it would need to move to the upside right now in order to avoid a reset, basically, of the wave 4. Let me explain. So one more high is still expected. The $18.30 level is structural resistance, and starting from 21, we have a real target area. Now, in the very short term, the idea was that we might go down a little lower in the wave 4 into this orange support area that starts between, well, starts at $12.80, goes down to $9.75. Then the price broke out. I mean, I mentioned to you the possibility of a triangle, but it just doesn't look nice. But had to assume, obviously, the breakout is unfolding with a break above the recent highs. Now we have, the price was pulled back now. And unless really it's turning around now, I have to assume we are coming down lower in wave 4, basically getting a reset of wave 4. It's falling back into its wave 4. Then probably in a more complex ABC structure, basically, in which this was the A wave, had a high B wave, and we're now coming down in wave C. So this is still subject to change, but I have to say that unless it really turns to the upside now, this shows too much weakness. A triangle breakout is typically followed by an aggressive move. I mean, yeah, it was kind of aggressive, but most of it retraced again. I gave you already a few days ago this $14.98 level as critical support, because below that level, I cannot really assume that the fifth wave is still unfolding to the upside, yeah? Invalidation of the triangle, I mean, this is the support area, but invalidation is at $14.31. So that level eventually needs to break, really, to invalidate the triangle. Wouldn't be a problem. It would simply be a delay. So it ended up being some kind of a channel then. It would simply be a delay of the wave 5. Okay, would give us another chance to buy a little lower. And my personal strategy in this range here was to have a grid bot run. I did switch the grid bot off up here. And yeah, I mean, I'd be happy for it to come down a little lower. I would probably switch it on again or even buy a little link. And yeah, at the moment, this is really the level that decides between the two. $14.98. I would, at this point, expect it to come down in wave C, but never say never in crypto. As long as support is holding, it's holding. They can turn around at an instant. Okay, I just see the weakness right now. And below $14.98, the next level to watch is $14.32. As soon as we then break below the trend channel here, yep, then this would be the wave C. But it doesn't mean we have to drop a lot, you know. Just, you know, assuming this was an A wave down here, this low on the 17th of November, then we go to the high of the B wave and then we measure the fib extensions. The first one that I would normally use as a target for a C wave is the 100% extension level at $13.67. Basically, then we have a range between $13.67 and $11.66 for the Fibonacci extension levels. They are at least additional levels to watch. $13.67, $12.87, and then $11.66. But really only if the first micro support level breaks. There is not much more to add, so just want to keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.